Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 8th of September 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 13th of September. The max Y level has decreased for CE and increased for PE. Has increased for CE and PE, that's positive. Quantity is higher for PE, that's negative. Change is higher for PE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is still below 1, that's negative. Implied volatility is higher and historical volatility is lower, so that's a negative and a positive respectively. RSI is lower, that's negative. No divergence, that's negative. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is lower, that's negative, and the candlestick is bearish, so that's negative as well. The current support is 200. Previous week's support was 190. Resistance currently is 235, and the previous week's resistance was 215, according to the option chain. And overall, the prediction for Tesla is that it goes down. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.